Going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the Mojo. Gonna have a great show today, filled with edutainment. That word is education and entertainment. Did some great trading this morning in the Mojo room, filled with some badassery for the day. We'll show you what's happening. Let's head over to the Mojo room and say hello to the team. It's January 8th. 2020, we're still holding Tilray, we're still holding TVIX, we're still doing really, really good. Let me scroll on up and take a look at what we got going on. We'll review the day and how we traded in the Mojo room. Cheers, everybody. See how I scroll with no hands? Pretty cool, right? You know how you do that? You take the mouse and you push the wheel in. And then you slide the mouse up. It's pretty cool, man. You learn something new every day, right? So beautiful. Hold on up. You ain't gonna believe. You ain't gonna believe the movement of the SPY, that's the Dow and the NASDAQ and all this stuff. You ain't gonna believe it, guys. A lot of saving happened today in the Mojo room. It was pretty unbelievable. Last night, World War III happened. Like, we sent missiles over and all this craziness. They got nothing to lose, so they're going to want to fight us. World War III is happening. So we come into today and we're like, all right, this guy, Pro Trader Money, he's like, Mike, check out WAFU. I'm like, okay. I'm like, yeah, looks pretty good, man. I'm like, WAFU looks good for a Heinz today. Let's see what it does. Sounds like a plan, man. Sounds like a plan of attack. Hello. Sounds like a nice plan of attack. We do that in the Mojo room. So today's trading plan, everyone try to hold customer service issues till an hour after the open. Thank you very much, Mr. Saywin. Absolutely. WAFU is headed for Heinz 3. It's 916. Okay? It's 290. Listen, you've seen this in the level 2s before. If they buy the 290, see it right here at 290, and the bid is 274, why would they do that? So if they bid and they go and they buy that 290, I've seen it 100 times. It's going to fly up. Okay? So it's going to go for sure. And let's see what it does. It goes, that's the level 2 on MTL. WAFU, Ramey gives it the boom boom. Ramey gives it the boom boom. And Money, thank you for the initial call. 306. And what is the Heinz? I get this question all the time. It's a trade play that works with amazing consistency. Once the price of the stock approaches the 90 cent, just underneath the whole number, momentum and positive expectancy take over and the stock goes through the whole number like a bottle of ketchup. Read it. The Heinz. It Heinzed right there. So you'll see me saying that word Heinz, Heinz, Heinz a lot in the Mojo room. Very nice. How's the volume coming in? On that YouTube check right there, if you don't. YouTube checking right there. So yeah, we nailed that WAFU 307. What a nice pick already on the WAFU. 316, 322, 330, 340. Right there, I picked it at 285. There it is at 340. Great morning. WAFU, first Heinz of the day from 290 to 340. Great job. Great job, Treebird. Made money on that. Beautiful. Then it went 355 by 360 on WAFU. Great trade. And then we sold TVIX at 50 bucks, 50.02 on a nice Heinz, 49.50 at the open. Sold 80 and 96 and tried to get the 02. I wanted 04. And then we went long again at 22 and 07. By that time, Pro Trader Renteria made $1,181.40. Great job, Pro Trader Renteria. Hopper, hey buddy. Son won a contract. Thanks, money. You got a good track record already. You gave us the Wafu. JDST moving into 985. Unfortunate circumstance on JDST today that it went up $1 without us. It's at 1080 right now. Went up $1 without us. Then TVIX added, lost on one trade on TVIX. Then we got back in for another one. This guy's been trying to drive he's losing in Wafu. So let me show you the importance. And these guys are all running their own day trading business. I'm the coach. I'm helping them out. Watch this, guys. Wafu, he's down. Imagine you've been in this position before. You're down in a big trade, right? He doesn't know. We don't know what he's at yet. So watch. We got $10 on the Heinz, $10 on JDST. Beautiful trade. Sold half at 10.02, 10.04. Uber Heinzing 33 did awesome. It's 34.07 right now on Uber. Then we traded Wafu again under 3 and then sold it up right there. Hold on a second. All right, guys, I'm back with you. Sorry about that package or something at the door. They always come, you know what I'm saying? All right, so listen, you're down in Wafu. You got a big position. Happened to you before. I've been in this situations thousands of times, guys. I've lost hundreds of accounts doing it. So I know when it comes, what it feels like, and some of my first traders may not experience it. It's called the life preserver play, and you have to be in it 5 times in order to recognize that it's even happening to you. And I'll show you what I did to save Pro Trader Richie today, a video about yesterday, the $1 million trader, the guy that had a big position in it. Check it out. You ready? Nice call on Wafu. So every time it dips, we're buying it, and then when it goes up, we're selling it. And he owns it, and he's like, oh, dude, you know, I own this thing a lot higher, down a lot, and you guys are selling it every time. Watch. See, trail stop 306, 314, 307. We're trading it, right? Wafu, look again, 3, boom, trailing, 322, trail a dime, we're making it on the Wafu, sell part of Wafu, great trade. Then it dumped, we're rebuying small. And he goes, look, I own lots at 344. It's $2.97. So if you owned lots, you'd be like, dudes, man, you know, every time it freaking, look, you're selling every time it makes a move. What would you do? Now the stock is $2.40. It's $1 cheaper. So imagine having 100,000 shares, 50,000 shares, or 10,000 shares. You're down that much money right now if you didn't listen to me. But he did. Check it out. So I'm going to tell him right now about the life preserver trade play because he's down. And I'm sure, like you guys, no other chat room in the world, no other person in this world would do this for you or even knows how to do it. So if this is a value to you listening as a trader, to help you out of a bad trade, to show you what to do, to take your emotions off the table, follow and listen and see if you've been in this situation before. Imagine having 10, 20, 30, 40,000 shares, one of your big positions, in the stock, or even 1,000 shares at $3.44. And now it's $2.97. I said, listen, besides Rad Hines in here at 13, Rad's 14 and change. See Rad? Beautiful. So I say, Richie, this is what the deal is. The stock is trading, here it is, 295 by 297. I said it's trading 5 million shares. That's the savior on the stock. If it wasn't trading that much volume, he would be out of it there. But it's giving you the opportunity to trade it. Watch. See the signal? Is it 3? He's hiding. I see him in here. It's 113. It's a big signal, so it's bullish. We're going to do what I call the lemon squeeze trade play at 3. Yeah. How's my volume doing on YouTube? Anybody? Volume coming in. So Pro Trader Key, brand new to the room. Brand new to the room. Loves the life with the mojo. So we're getting in the weeds, guys. We really like the weeds today. The Tilray, the Crone, the Rad. These are the stocks that we're trading in the room. We're not trading garbage. Trading Sava, JDST at a high. Red room right now at 1077, Alan. Unbelievable. So right here it's at 3. Wafu bought 289, sold through Hines 3 right there. Here's KEPTH. He asked about this at 50 cents. I told him we already own it at 42. It's at 50 right here. Been as high as 54. Right here he says, I'm going to buy more, an average down to 334 right now. So I said, go for it. Okay? Now watch. 2 minutes later. Sell half of the entire position. You don't want to do that. He doesn't want to do that. But yes, you have to do that. It's called the life preserver. You fell off the boat. It's a rocky ocean. And you're far from the boat at 344, 336. It's 319. Dude, the boat is right there. They threw you the life preserver. Are you going to wait for 344 to the boat to come right by you? Or are you going to take the life preserver right there at 319 and sell half of the entire position? Because if it goes higher to 50 and 40 from there, you're saved. Didn't turn the large loss into something small. But if it goes lower again, you can rebuy back what you sold at 19 back at 3 and then sell it back at 19 back at 3, back at 19, back at 3. And if you do it 2 or 3 times, you'll lower your cost basis from 34 to even. And that's what he did. Watch. Another teaching moment for Mike. Listen, folks, this is the golden. You ain't got to be trading for 25 years. Been in this situation hundreds of times. Lost lots of accounts and lots of money to know the feeling of it happening to help somebody else. That's the benefit of the Mojo Room. There's picks all over the internet, guys. Everybody's got a great pick and a great chat room. What are you going to do when you're in trouble, right? You're going to rebuy everything that you sold at 296 because I told you, it was going to drop. So you buy exactly what you sold back, let's say 10,000 of those shares at 296, and you sell it again at 308, 309. That's $1,000 bill right there, man. Okay? Right there. It's the life preserver, guys. It's one of the main things that I teach in the higher levels of Mojo University. Okay? The life preserver. Love this room. Brilliant. Thank you, Pro Trader Mar. Now you're selling again, guys. Look, you just bought it back. See, look, selling half 319 at 1012, rebuying it at 296, told you, and then selling it back again at 314 to 3, half. We're going to rebuy either back higher into the 50 or lower again. It's traded 5 million shares. It's giving us the opportunity to do that 100%. And if you guys aren't learning anything, Chrome's ejects, you came in the room, I asked to speak to you 5 times, you never responded back, you went and applied to Mojo University, got the free course, I asked you and in the free course, why don't you speak to me in the room? And you replied back with a nasty answer and lost the course. So great job for you. Here's Mojo University right here. So if you go to Mojo University, guys, you're going to see right here the online Pro Trader course. That's free for all members of the chat room. It's not $1,497. I'm giving it as a gift right now. I'm paying it forward. So get it while it's available before I do my new course and it's taken down. Understanding Level 2 has been my most popular video right here. You could see it changing. You can see that it's a VLTC. This was in 2015 on April 30th. The stock right here went up $1. You could see the signal 891 by 99. Look at the signal at 903, taken to 13, goes right to 36, right to 50, blast through 50, right to 69, 89, and right through $10 in a beautiful rip. If you understand Level 2, you'll know how to do that. All the tools and the tracking sheets are available in the Mojo Toolbox, along with the book by Dr. Alexander Elder called How to Day Trade for a Living. You have my swing trading course, my cryptocurrency trading course, all each $14.97. And then you have these free courses. Understanding the stock market I put together. Mojo Day Trading Introduction. Why you need a good mentor like myself. How to grow a small account to a large account. Right here, you see? Should I quit my day job? And you can preview these, guys. I'll take the previews off because they're free now. History of the stock exchange. What is a stock exchange? What's an investor? What's a brokerage company? What's a stock? What's a stock quote? How do you read a stock quote? What's a stock trading platform? How do you buy a stock? What is a stock chart? Why do you own a stock? What's Facebook? How to make money buying stocks? And then what's a stop loss order? And then there's a quiz at the end of each one. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. That's right there, understanding the stock market. Then you have understanding mutual funds. Right here, course is free. A mutual fund starter guide, the definition of a mutual fund, the different kinds of mutual funds, how do mutual funds work, advantage of mutual funds. I put all this together, guys, for you all. You got to do this before you come to Mojo University. I don't want to explain to you how to buy a mutual fund, what a mutual fund is, what a stock exchange is. You need to know that, what short selling is, and take the quizzes. Nothing better, guys. Then I have right here, understanding your taxes. Right here, how day traders, why you should incorporate, what the taxes mean and how do they work, protecting your money with tax deductions, tax season, plugging in the numbers, getting it done, how do you pay yourself, getting down to business, being the champion with a quiz. This is all the things to be your own boss and own your own day trading business, guys. I put it all together for you in Mojo University. Then after that, you go to basic investment strategies, where you learn how to value invest, what growth investing is, what ETFs are, the fundamental analysis, value investing, Warren Buffett case studies, income investing, what bonds are, fixed incomes, REITs, everything with quizzes, guys. Basic investment strategies. Then you move on to advanced investment strategies. Ready to invest? Here we go. The importance of your routine. Let's talk about your career. Figure out how long you need to work, your goals, your neuroeconomics, your anchoring basis, your limiting your irrational behavior, your search, getting it done with Mojo, and going through the 6 steps, man. And then after that, you go to advanced trading techniques right here. How to be successful, trading with 500% gainers, how to journal your business, what's positive expectancy, level 2 secrets and tricks, what are options, ETFs, market makers, ECNs, what's short selling, how to survive, what's trading on margin, some advanced trading techniques in that course. And then you got your last one, building your portfolio, what you'll learn, risk tolerance, asset application, basics of diversification and managing right here, guys. Sample stocks, understanding risk, the value of me as a head coach, all this, don't fear the change, how you allocate, the different portfolios, swing and day trading, all right here in Mojo University, guys. And then when you're done with this, you go through the Mojo University a couple times, you trade with me in the Mojo room, forget about it, man. We're champions together, guys. Check it out. You guys like that, right? That's what I'm talking about. So chromogenes, see, I'm banning you. Look. Done. You sent me an email, all nasty. Where is it? Right here. The chromogene. Chromogene. Here, sorry, man. I just came by to what, because his name was Justin, but in the room, he was the guy that was listening this morning. He was the guy that was listening. The Obshka guy. And this is what he wrote. He goes, Mike, sorry, man. I just came by to watch and maybe learn something. Someone interrupted me for 2 hours and I didn't have a chance to do that or anything, or even missed an exit on a trade because of it. No worries. Don't bother. Keep it locked. Plenty of other places to learn, and I don't have $150 a month to give you. The Mojo U said free, so I thought I'd check it out. Have a nice day. The Mojo U is for free once you become a member of the chat room for $150 a month. Go everywhere else, pay the education, and maybe you'll win, maybe you'll lose. Maybe you'll win and they promise you. But I promise you one thing, you lose, you ain't getting it back. You lose off mine, at least it didn't cost you anything. You got money to refund your account, give it another rock and roll go. Nobody else in the world would do this for you guys. Nobody. Watch my videos. 1,700 Mojo shows. A lot of live trading. Okay? Nobody will. 48.57 average, 48.35. We're waiting for it to bile, and that probably was the loss. Wafu, wait. We're going to do it again, another trade. You ready? Look, there's a signal at 295. We just sold it at 319. So I'm like, wait, dude, I've been in this situation 1,000 times. It's going to go lower. And if it does, I save you so bad. If it goes up higher, big deal. You didn't miss nothing. But if it goes lower, dude, I save you big time. Watch. Patience. It's going lower. Look, how did I know a minute and a half later it was? Priceless information, guys. For me to know that and to tell you beforehand to wait, watch out and wait, it's going to go lower to 282. That's what we're waiting for. And here it goes. Look, Chromages, bam, dude, I got you. That's why I put everyone's name in the beginning of the day. So let's see who's left. Day Trade Mom, she said she's coming back tomorrow. Irina was banned because Irina sent shit across the board to all the other people to join Trade Rep chat room. And I went to that chat room and I said, listen, dude, don't send no more people over to my chat room unless you want me sending my hoots over there and saying, listen, all you guys join my chat room. That's bullshit, man. Tyler Wilson, don't come back to my room. Heartbreak Beans, you ain't here. I send you 10. Don't come back to my room. Da Vinci, see, that's what it is. See, look, Aragold, they're all gone. See, done. They'll never come back. I don't want them. Sold TVIX 4874. TVIX trade right here 4838, selling 73. Selling 73. And this guy goes right here. He goes, I'm going to look to jump in. I said, dude, you better watch out how you jump in. So JDST is going to go through 10. I got TV and sold WAFU. So Richie now reduced his cost basis from 344 to 336 to 326. That's a huge help. Huge help. So now it may go up. It's 304 now. Okay? He says okay. So I got you guys. I got you covered. Check out what the market's doing. J-Rob sent me a message. Hey, Mike, I had a quick look earlier in the chat room. Amazing job. Followed the rad trade, but sold off before it got to 14. Great lessons today. I'm starting my day in Auckland, New Zealand. Here it's 8:21. Thanks again. Great job. He's Pro Trader J-Rob. Nice. Welcome, bud. So right here, his average is 326. We do it again. Another trade. WAFU under 3. You ready? Look. Sold 314. So again. Give me a Y. Give me an E. Give me an yeah! I threw him the life preserver and he made money. Nice call on the WAFU. Trailing at 314 now, 315. Raise your trail stop to 307. Okay? Neo, we made a move off Neo from the beginning of the day, and Neo's been one of the biggest winners of the day. Then we have here, look, WAFU, 317. Watch what happens when that one touches. But look, 317, 320, 322, 326 by 327. He's even. Nothing feels better than that. Me helping a guy turn a loss, sell right there, dude. Great trade from 327. It drops to 288. No. Yep. Yes. To 288. It drops. And we buy right there, but small. Selling 295, 290. Now he's profitable on the trade. Okay? I own lots of 3, and you guys are selling. Oh, that's before. Let me show you. Right here. Average 326. 304. 310. sold right here, buying at 304, selling again, 313, 312 again, sell again, rebuy again. We got a box from 293 to 313. It's traded 5.3 million shares. We're trading it back and forth through the Hines right there with a beautiful day. And we're in it again at 304, selling 312, 313. We're going to rebuy it again under 302, under 302. Now it's under 3. Get ready. We're going to go right here, even on the day, 285. All these people are gone. Great. Joey's new to the room. Loves it. Really crazy. What I thought was for the most part, but damn, I got the adrenaline rush hearing it live. Beautiful. And then these guys, boom, the F out of here, baby. All you guys. Wafu's rising from 295. And then we're going to go into the crone. It's weed time. We crushed it on the weeds. Mini Hines 650. Guys, there was a chart. Let me show you. There was a chart on TVIX last night at 60 bucks. It's 46. See it? 46.75. It was 60 bucks. Look. Scroll back here. Go data from the 7th. Look. It doesn't show it. How come it doesn't show it? It was 60 bucks. 60 bucks, okay? 60 bucks. And now it's 46 in the same day. In the same day. And we got Crone is 672. We bought Crone right here to go through 650. See? And we bought Tilray in the same exact mark. Go up higher. Huge winners on the day. Huge winners on the day. Take a look. You'll see. So we got Crone for mini 650. We're going to risk 2 cents to make 12. We made 22. 12 to 1 risk reward. Here's $15 on Tilray. So Tilray trade is we're going to risk 1 penny. You're stopping at 15. See the 557? You're risking 1 penny. Where is it now? 1585. Where'd it go too high? 1629. Awesome picks. Would you have made money on that if you had an account anywhere? E-Trade, Ameritrade, Scottrade, or even Capital with TEFS? This account. See this account right here? I got 1,688 shares. I have $79,154 in the stock. I'm up $314.72. See that? As it goes into 47. It goes over 47 now. That'll jump to like $600. Watch. You ready? 400. Watch. Watch. Just give it a second. Okay? I come back, we'll be at 600. But watch. This goes Tilray. Look. Huge. And then selling Wafu again at 14. Shut up, dog. Right there. 320, 324. Volume only. And me getting stuck and blowing 10 accounts, I saved Richie in the room. That's a save. Do you see it? The save is worth years of membership fees, folks. Imagine losing 10 grand for your worst trade. How many $150 months could you have been in the Mojo room paying for the next year? Just with that. That's what you're going to get with me, guys. Let me go quiet my dogs down. Hold on a second. What are you barking at, dude? Enough barking. So below in the video, I have a link to subscribe, always in the corner, and to get the combo pack, guys. So give me a subscribe. So be your own boss, guys. Start your own business. Come to the Mojo room. Here's what you got going on in the Mojo room. What happens is you come in, you do the monthly chat subscription, and get in the room. Get here in this chat room, guys, with all these master traders and learn from them like Richie did. Woohoo! Dude, made back huge dollars, dude. Huge. 322 by 6. Huge. Then he's even like, wow. Then it goes 295 to 325 even, Brad. The Mojo way. From being down 200,000 to being even. Cost was 336. Okay? That's making 400 G's or making 40 G's or 4 G's or $400 or $40, dude. Come on now, man. Seriously. Okay? Seriously. And we even traded again. Look, Rad's pushing 1285. It's 1485, dude. It's up $2. $2. Better ask somebody, man. Best quote. Right, Pro Trader Terrific? The best quote. And that's it, man. Let's see what I got right here. Mark is red. Jump to present. Tesla's going through 500. Of course it is. Went 490, 495, 497 Heinz. Sweepy loves the room. I've learned a lot. Poor babies want their dad. That's their barking. Their dad. Huh, funny. This may be it for TVIX big volume. Is there a video going or is it just a chat room? Yep, video going on YouTube, baby. Andy Runfeld. Don't know who you are. That's it, boys. Good job, man. Nice job. Nice work, pro traders. New money. Money, thanks for that pick this morning. Brian, new to the room. Job. Vino, new to the room. Joey Resbin down here. We don't know Resbin. Resbin's new. And Drek's been here many times. Absolutely. All right, let's check it out. So we got 76. I think I'm going to buy 100 shares of TV right here into the Heinz 47. Know what I'm saying? Wafu is 239 by 43. What a piece of crap. Right? Imagine being in it at $4. Could you imagine? Could you imagine? Oh my gosh. Not saving that thing in the threes like I was just telling you. So guys, below in the video, links to everything, man. Go check that out. Get with me on Twitter. Follow me on YouTube. Do your thing. CLVS is not in play today. RKD. What's up, Kevin M? Couple days in a row you hear. Larry Krause, what's up? You're a master trader now, brother. Look at you, Larry. Master. Andrew Young. Hope you love the course, brother. Great job. Good work. Good work. Here's what I got going on my YouTube. I got this blog post right here. Into my profile. Yeah, you need to enroll because you didn't pay the membership, man. I've been telling you back and forth, left and right, bro. Told you back and forth, left and right. You just don't read the instructions and the information on the pages. It doesn't matter. Look, here's the day trading right here. Yes, I want to start learning. You click this page. What does it say here? It says, right here, all you have to do is become a member. Chat room. And I even gave it to you right there. And you get the swing too. And from there, what I do is I go in. Right here, I verify that you paid. Oh, Jordy, that ain't happening, bro. No, bro. You can't register in every single course, bro. It's one by one. I'm sorry. I didn't tell you that, guy. I have control over everything in Mojo University, guys. So you're not going to log in and log into every single course. How is it possible to watch every single course? You know what I'm saying? It's really impossible. You know what I'm saying? Let me go in. Going into enrollments. So I'm going to just take that off, bro. You're going to start with understanding. No, it's not fair, dude. Because guys like that, they do that. They take every course, they use it for my 30-day thing, and then they're gone. But I don't like that, man. Doesn't make sense to me. So restart over and pick the one you want from the beginning. One at a time. So I got you all set. And you don't even have the toolbox. Now you got the toolbox. Yeah, do it as you go, please. Thank you. I gave you the tool, but just register for which one you want. I got, who else just registered? Kava. Is that the you guy? Joey, is that you? Oh, that's not. Who else did that? Yeah, that's you, Kava. Yeah. I'll register you for the swing with that same email. Refresh. Here's the instructions. Listen very carefully, okay? When you start Mojo University, listen. Very important. Refresh the page right now, and you'll see the day trading course and the toolbox. You see that? They're not $14.97. They're free now. Watch the oldest course first, the October 2017 recordings. They're right there. Watch those first. Level 1 to 7. Please leave a comment under each video lesson on how you felt from the lesson. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you, sir. Have a great one. Enjoy. Thanks for joining. You are now Pro Trader. Joey. Welcome, Joey. And Ryan right here. Let me see Ryan's message. Ryan right here. I'm distracted. I found out someone died. I plan to do the work and get through. And go at your own pace. Make sure you got the right, out of the 3 Discords, the right one you logging into. Awesome. Great job, guys. Right. Good work. Good work, Mr. Good work. Let's see what's hot and what's not, shall we? No, let's come back to that. Let's come back to what's hot and not. Dude, I got some, you want to see some cool pics? Dude, I got some amazing things that I saved, dude, that I could show you. You want to see? Some really cool vids and stuff and things. Beautiful. Check it out, boys. Look, let's go to the photo album. Oh, it's not in there, dude. Where's the snake girl? Snake. Dude, check out the snake girl, dude. I go to this store yesterday, right? And I'm like, okay. And this girl got that on her head. Like the best pet in the world, the most friendliest thing. I'm like, what? is that? Are you kidding me? And the thing's like, I'm like,
for the last time, no.
Oh, get that away. Oh my God, are you nuts? Could you believe that, dude? That snake on that girl's head. Oh my God. Let me show you right here, guys. Played some golf this weekend. If you've seen my last videos in my golf, see if my drive is as similar as all the other times, boys. Okay, look. Okay, same position. Watch. My beautiful tilt of my spine. Okay, the shaft is behind the ball. I hover the club. I never touch it against the ground. And my head will not move out of that circle. The ball is going to go like this. And it's going to land by those trees out here in the fairway. Right here. The green is up here, and I'm going to go for it in 2 and hit the green right in front in 2. Watch. Okay, I'm getting set up for the drive. So right now I'm in position. Got my head there. Okay, I'm going to keep this grounded. That's my key. Using the ground. Watch how I use the ground. Okay? Look at that. Okay? See that back? Now it's in perfect position. I have a perfect triangle. My head has not even budged a splither out of that circle. Okay? I'm on the way down now. See that? Right in the same exact path it came from. I'm going to destroy that sucker. See that? Look at my head. Beautiful, right in there. Didn't move a sklither. Look at the triangle here. That was from the triangle here. Perfect finish, really high. Planted on the ground with my left foot. I don't bring my foot off. I'm using the ground. Got a lot of strength in the legs. Boom, I got the reverse C going here on the finish. Head's tilted a little that way. Ball is going up with a beautiful little high baby draw. 290-yard drive. Holding the finish beautifully. Let's watch it one more time. Beautiful. Watch the shot from the fairway now. This is from the fairway. Now I got the, ready? Same thing, watch. So let's go back a little bit. Same thing as the drive. I do everything exactly the same. Okay, I get set up, boom. So this was exactly like the drive first setup when I was drawing it. How I start the club up here, hover, I'm getting it, and when I bring it down, I'll be set. Watch. Now I'm set, okay? Watch. The head. Same back spine, same here, and the same foot using the ground. Watch. The ball is going to come up straight here, and it's going to go all the way right by this tree right there. And it's going to sit there. It's about a 245-yard 5-wood. The green is right there over the water. I'm going to put it right next to it, right there. Boom. Same hold, same finish, same everything, dude. Okay, let's draw the circle around the head. See? Right in the middle of that. Got the arm back with the backswing. Look at the head. See? Got the reverse C going. I stayed down on it. Look at the foot. Not even coming up really. The ball's already gone. The ball's on its way. I just got to finish high and smooth and stay in position. Right there. Stay and hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Beautiful shot. Every club's exactly the same. Beautiful. Beautiful. What else we got now? Watch little JB while I find this cool thing in the room.
On my channel because she absolutely killed it, and that's the best I've ever seen any girl ride the Big Plaza setup, and I think she is the only girl to ever ride that setup. But yeah, it was absolutely insane. She killed it 100%. Ben LeClaire edited that one, and I'm super stoked I got to film some of it and be a part of it. But yeah, make sure you guys go check out Marie on Instagram. Follow what she has going on. She is a super sick chick and rides insanely well.
Yeah, like you, JB. Peace. Yo, you subscribe to JB O'Neill's channel, then you'll have access to all that other golden greats of information and how to do that wakeboard in action and sweet sanctuary, baby. Let's head back through. Let me show you some great trades today that happened in the Mojo room. AEMD, which was a swing pick on 12/29. It's January 8th, just a week ago. The pick was done at 92 cents because the company experienced an earnings loss of $6.45 in 2018 and is going to grow to a loss of $2.96 in 2021, which is a huge 100% increase in the growth of the company, Athlon Medical, AEMD. And it has a tiny, tiny float of 1.4 million. So can it go up 100% in a day? Yeah, it can go up 200% in a day. Absolutely. And right here, the stock is at 92 cents. I'm looking for moves into the first red circle at 205, then at 304, sequencing at 90, 95, and 97 for the nice highs. Should prove a huge winner and payday with low risk. What, you want to come in? Come on in. Come here. You want to sit with me? Sit with me. So we got a huge payday with a lot of low risk, and that's AEMD. I know, I love YouTube, buddy. And AEMD right now is $1.24, high of $1.36, picked at 92 cents. You can see it right here, 122 by 124 on January 8th. And this one was picked on 12/29 at 92 cents, sent out as a swing pick, along with TENX at $1.27 to break this baseline of red circles with also increased earnings estimates for 2 years. and that's TENX at $1.27. TENX at $1.27. And X is 136 by 139 at the high of the day, looking to make a move. Yesterday it went up to 150, so that's looking great also. And that was called 10X Therapeutics, also picked on that 1229 newsletter. Also on the 1229 newsletter at 151 was US Well Services, USWS at 151, USWS. USWS is 170 now with a high of 184. Went to yesterday $2. Picked right here at $1.51 in the same newsletter. Still have those. Next one, AQMS in the same newsletter at 83 cents. Aqua Metals at 83 cents. AQMS. What's that one doing? From 80 cents to 90 cents. High in 95 today. Looks like it touched $1 yesterday. Looking awesome. AQMS from 83 cents. And the one underneath that on the same day is MOJO Therapeutics. Increased earnings estimates from a loss of $2 to a loss of 70 cents. 45 million in the float. 29% owned by funds. It's got to break this. Ton of insider buying right there. 100% increase in its volume, and APVO from 59 cents. Let's see where she's at right now. APVO is 68 cents by 72 cents from 59 cents. So if you were in that 1229 newsletter, you would have gotten AMD, you would have gotten TENX, you would have gotten USWS, you would have gotten AQMS. All the risk, all the reward, how it's going to move, everything indeed. You would have gotten the APVO. You would have gotten CDTX, increasing earnings from $3.18 to $1.73 with increased earnings estimates, 33 million in the float, 42% owned by funds, 96 relative strength. Going to go perch that 309 right there, booming up through 316 on CDTX. Where the hell's that one today? CDTX is $3.68, heading for a move into 4 now. So 368, here you go, 316. Great job on the picks. And the last one, the highest priced one, Thermogenesis Holdings. Going from a loss of $21 a share to a loss of 55 cents to actually making 3 cents on 2.8 million in the float. This thing could rock, man. $4.19 on Thermogenesis, THMO. So those are the picks in the newsletter. I'm a winner for a winner right there. Stock's at $4.38 with a high of 42. That's what we do, baby. That's what we do. And yesterday we had the Gene. Gene went yesterday from 229. That's why we sell them, guys. Gene went from 229, sold a lot of it right up here at $4, man. See that? $4. How do you get into one of these stocks that make a huge spike like this before? The answer, Mojo Swing Trade newsletter. Because the only ones doing them are these small cap, huge winners. And those are the ones that I'm on. So let's see what's hot and not and how many of my swing picks are on the gainers list again today. So Pixie, you see that Pixie Dust, $20 stock? You think I own that one? I sure do, man. You want to see Pixie? You ain't going to believe where I got that. See, it's at 20. Got it at 20 cent pre-split, baby. Check it out. You ready? Go right up here into the search bar and type in Pixie. Enter. There it is, dudes. Look. Pixie used to trade it and called it yesterday, remember? Pixie Dust. We used to call it Pixie Dust. Remember that? I do. Right? If they did a recapitalization on Pixie Dust. Look, here's the pick. at 49 cents. Lower volume, but in a real strong base. Last quarter, they did 14.3 million, a 52% increase versus the same quarter last year, going from a loss of 58 cents to a loss of 14, which is a 300% increase, testing the first circle at 76.85 and then $1.35 through $1.84 to 2. It used to be an $11 stock. It's got 36 million in the float, risking small to make huge. And that was the Pixie pick right there. Shift Pixie at 49 cents. Shift Pixie right here is the number one gainer at 20 bucks today. So how did you get in up here when this thing used to be down here? You knew Mojo. You got in with that Mojo. Okay, let's look at the number two gainer for the day, MTP. MTP, $1.10 by $1.11. Don't own it. There's that WAFU, 236, terrible. Saved a lot of people on that WAFU. CLVS we used to have as a swing pick just for a day or two, I believe, or it was in the day trading room. Trilogy is 146. This is a swing pick. So if you look back right here and you go into the swing trading channel and you type in Trill, enter. Last Monday, right here. So if you were in the swing trade newsletter on Trill, TRIL, right here, swing picks up huge. It was in the day trading channel right here at 147. Here's Trillium right here, picked at 71 cents on 12/22. So the week before the 12/29 newsletter, it went from 71 to 91, 50%, and now it's at $1.50. Now it's at $1.50. Trillium. That's the number 4 one. Then you have, I think this is Dynatronics. I used to own it back in the day. DYNT. RGLS. You see this one? Regalis. You see this one? You're like, dude, you don't own that one. Yeah, I do. See this right here? You wish you had that one. You see that Regalis? Right here. Look, see it? If you were in the newsletter this past Sunday, on the 5th of January, here's what you would have gotten. Ready? Got two of them to show you. Here's what you would have gotten on the Regalis. Right here. On January 5th, you could see all the, right there. Here's the explanation of the whole buy. Regalis Therapeutics at $1.09. You see it, to break the dollar and break the circles. See it? Headed to this one and to this one. Increase earnings estimates for 2 years from a loss of 559 to a loss of 79, a 400% increase on a 20 million share capitalization float and 37% in the funds, increasing volume 238% to 794,000 versus 235, looking for a move above the red circle to $1.41 and $1.62 with major support at 95, float and funds risking a nickel to make 10-to-1 risk reward on that at $1.09. You see it? You see it? There you go. Where is it right now? Right there. RGLS, $1.50. Mojo swing picks, boys. Mojo swing picks. Derm, don't own. But Sava at $8.80 right here. This one, Sava right here. Got that one I showed you. This one, Trill, Pixie. Okay, Gene yesterday, right? Check it out. Look at this. Sava. You ready? Oh my gosh. Sava. Putting it in on my screen right here. Sava. Swing trading. Right here, page 7 of them. Boom, right here. Look at the move on Sava from 650 to 9 originally. We own it at $1.48. It's right now at 8 and change. Sava. Here's the pick. Right here. $1.48 to 5.20 to 10. Now it's at 8. To Sava. Right there. Greatest picks. Greatest picks ever. Greatest picks ever. And that was the last one I wanted to show you. I thought RGLS. I think that was the last one that was up there for the day. Read Zafagen. Damn, dude. Zafagen. I got another one right here. So look, ZFGN is right here. Last week, just scroll up a little. Here's TEUM. Went from 46 to TEUM to 80 cents. TEUM pick, guys. Look. TEUM is 60 now. High is 65. There it's 46. Yesterday was at 80. Look what it did yesterday. Sick, right? Sick. Unbelievable picks, man. Just unbelievable picks. So that's TEUM. Tcon, Trill, Savara at $1.59 right there. See that? SVRA. Eastman Kodak, Cassava, Zafagen right here. Zafagen at 79 cents. Last was $1.20. Zafagen pick right there. Zafagen right now is 143. It just doesn't stop, guys. Doesn't stop. And then the last two on there, VT, and that one I don't have. But dudes, the picks on the gainers list each day, it never stops, man. I don't think it will either. I don't think it will either. Mojo Woods. Okay. Pay attention to the areas of your life that you're not so thrilled about. Figure out which bad habits helped you create them, and those habits, let me start over. Pay attention to the areas of your life that you're not so thrilled about. Figure out which bad habits helped create them, and trade those habits in for some good ones. Form the kind of habits that successful people have. Good time management habits, good decision-making habits, good thought habits, good health habits, good relationship habits, good work habits, etc. Think of what behaviors would make the biggest positive changes in your life, maybe even the kinds of changes you can hardly imagine coming true, and set about turning them into habits. You're a badass. Beautiful. It's a great day, guys, in the Mojo room. Yeah, you should sign up for the chat room, Bat. Probably be a good idea. You can make some money. Probably the first time, the first group you ever made money with, I would say. Answer those questions I sent you, though, before you do. Excuse me. What kind of trader are you, and what are you looking to accomplish, man? Then we can get somewhere, you know what I mean? I don't know about it. I can't help you if I don't know. But you could join. And that's it. So great day, guys. Thank you for checking out the Mojo Show. Thanks for checking out what we got going on. And every day in the banners, guys, in the Mojo, I'm going to put, remember like the Playboy magazine? Every magazine cover had a little tiny bunny in there you had to find. Every Mojo Show banner, this is episode 6, goes 5, 4, 3 from the beginning of the year. There's going to be 240 episodes. I'm going to have that in all the banners, guys. So it'll be cool after you go sign on. Find out where I put the little Mojo logo hidden in the banners, man. Pretty cool. Always thinking, guys. Have a great one, and I'll see you on the next show. Peace. Later.